at the phone. Breaking hearts till I wanna be grown. Swipe, no, swipe, be. Just be setting my tone. Stealing a job type of shit that I'm on. I might go fast and skeleton bone. You know a bitch like me get cold.
Well, welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time since I made a video, right? I mean, months. And sometimes I feel like I can't win, right? So, y'all know I had the B8.5 RS5. That car got rear-ended. Then I got this lovely thing here, this B9. And guess what? Somebody hit that one too. And look, you can kind of see the damage. Y'all see it right there. Let me get you a closer look at it. Just hold on. So as y'all can see, yep, got hit. Now I posted a video to my Instagram around that time, almost like a month ago, when the car got hit, and I'm still waiting to get it fixed. So I just got everything back in yesterday to bring it to the shop. Hopefully I can do that within the next day or two and get that together. Because like you can see the big panel gap right there. You can see the hit right here, my door. It's like all misaligned and everything. And then I got like a little hit right there, man. It's just, bruh. Now, if you look at this side for you know, a good reference, it scarred up all my wheels and stuff. I mean, that's already built into the car, but it's worse on the other side. Like, it's just totally misaligned and everything. And, I mean, just, come on now. It's like, I can see that clear as day. Yeah, just not too good. And then I got some mods going on with the car, which means, well, I'm putting it in the shop Monday, which the car that I'm gonna get to drive is just gonna be like, I don't know, it may be like a Camry or maybe even BMW or something. I don't know, just whatever they got. Just give me a call so I can get this thing fixed. At the same time, I'm getting some other stuff going on, so let me show you guys that. And I was getting my E85 taken care of this week, but now since my car is getting fixed, I got to put it in the shop to get the work done for the accident, and then after the accident gets fixed, get my high pressure fuel pump piston upgrade kit for the 2.9 to 3.0 engine, so I can run some different kind of fuel inside of the car. But when I say I'm just upset at that, that's just crazy. So how I get two different RS5s, had a B8.5, got the B9, and then both of them are in accidents. Like, first one got totaled. Y'all remember, I'm gonna show a little video of that accident right now.
Pull something over on them, but if you take a second look, then you're not ENTP, because ENTP is only look.
That car was special, right? It was a top of the line one. It was a 2013. I took the back seats out. I did the JHM tune on it, engine and transmission. That car was a monster. I had a full Miltech exhaust on it. Carbon fiber everywhere, like on that car. And got rear-ended, all the carbon fiber cracked on the back. I mean, it just messed up. The car is like at Copart right now, totaled. Then I get this beautiful thing, and then literally leaving the car wash, I get into an accident. Like leaving the car wash. Like I left out the car wash, made a right turn, bam, got hit. The person didn't even, you know, see my car going down the street, didn't yield to oncoming traffic, which was me, and ran straight into me, like pow. Gave my car a black eye. All while there's a car show this weekend. The Quattro and Coffee is literally in a month at Audi New Orleans. So if you are in Texas, Louisiana, you know, Mississippi, anywhere, and you have an Audi or any kind of car, come out to the Quattro and Coffee. It's going to be on May 23rd at Audi New Orleans. So my group, RS504, and the rest of the group is going to be there too. And then I got so much other stuff I want to do to the car that I really can't do now because it's going to be in a shop. It's like I feel like I can't win. But I just wanted to give a quick update. So hopefully within the next like week or two, I can get my car back, and then y'all will see the E85 and all the wonderful other things that I have going on the car. So had to make a video just to show that real quick. But yeah, that's what's been going on. Still got the car, still having fun, you know, but I had to get this accident taken care of because, bruh, hit my new car. Like why? Why did they hit it? Terrible. So it's gonna go in the shop in the next couple of days. I'm gonna show the flyer for, if I did in the video, I'm gonna show it again. It's for Quattro Coffee. Sign up for it. I'll put the link to sign up for it in the description of it. And go there, you're gonna win prizes. It's free to go, so you don't have to sign up to come, but to win a prize you do. So we'll have coffee, we'll have food, we're gonna have giveaways, all kind of stuff between out in New Orleans and the local car group RS504. So stay tuned for that, and I'll post some more videos about it and everything. So if you're near, if you're close, there's a Facebook group for it too. So if anybody wants to, you know, get up on that, do that. And hopefully my car will be fixed by the time the show starts. And I'll holler at y'all later.